Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the video playback speed on TikTok. So let's get started. Begin by opening your TikTok app. Then tap on the share icon. Now swipe to the right until you see playback speed. Tap on it. Then choose the speed that you would like to watch the video. And this is how you can change video playback speed on TikTok. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.